Fans of miniature trains like it, but for Walt Disney fans, it's a don't miss stop. That's because the Carolwood Pacific Railroad Company preserves Disney's barn workshop, his original engines, and railroad cars. It's next to the Los Angeles Live Steamers Club, run by hobbyists who operate 1/8 scale trains on a 1.5-mile track. Check out the Los Angeles Live Steamers website for more information. You can't ride Walt's trains, but you can take a ride on one of the other miniature trains, which are cute and fun. Imagine Ricky Schroeder and his dad rolling into their living room riding a train on the television show Silver Spoons, or that classic photo of Walt Disney riding his private miniature train in his backyard. The Live Steamers also run a fun Halloween ghost train in October. The railroad is run by volunteers, open to the public on a limited schedule, and does not charge admission. There is a small fee for the train ride. You can read reviews of Live Steamers at Yelp. Learn more about Carolwood Pacific Railroad Company here. The railroad is located at 5202 Zoo Drive.